This video is about how to do a temperature controller reset on Generation 3 and Generation 3.1 PLC control boxes. First, you want to make sure that your emergency stop is reset. Push the start button. Your controller should turn on and you'll see a power light on your timer. Go ahead and press and hold start cycle and you'll have a solid white light. From here, what you need to do is press the gray loop button until you see LOC. LOC is off. Use the up arrow to change this to LOC1. Press set. Now you need to hold the up and down arrow at the same time for at least 1 second. And you should see this. Use the gray loop button until you see PASS. That value should be 4,321. Use the down arrow, press and hold, and change that to 1357. Press set, push in the emergency stop, reset, go ahead and start the cycle back. At this point, the oven may or may not let you start the cycle. So what you'll have to do is within every 2 minutes, push this button to make sure that the control box stays awake. If you do not touch the start button, the control box will go to sleep in 2 minutes. Now, you need to press and hold set for at least 3 seconds. And you'll see this menu come up. Use the down arrow until you see the letter J all by itself. Press set. Now you can see your temperature, but it's in Celsius. Every so often, make sure you press this button to make sure that you don't run out of time. Press and hold set for at least 3 seconds until you get into the menu. Now press the gray loop button and you can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. It's important that the box be set for Fahrenheit. Press set. Now press and hold the set button for at least 3 seconds. Get back into the menu. Now we can use the loop button. Press it again until you see TP-H. We're going to change this to 515.0. Press set. Make sure you keep hitting this button. Use the loop button. You're going to see TP-L. It's negative 148. Change that to 0.0. Press set. Use the gray loop button again to get to the next menu item. It says CTRL. It's set on PCD. We're going to change that with the arrow to on off. Press set. Press the loop button again. S-HC is set to heat. Leave that setting alone. Press the loop button. ALA1 is set to 0. When we change this setting, the control box is going to start beeping, but that's okay. Make sure that we go ahead and hit this white button again. Keep the box awake. Change this number to 6. And press set. Now we're going to try to get through the rest of the instructions. Press the loop button again, and again until you get to COSH. Turn this setting on with the up arrow and press set. Use the loop button. C-SL. Change this with the up arrow to RTU. Press set. Use the loop button again. You see C-NO. Change this to the number 2. Press set. You'll see BPS is 9600. Leave it alone. Length is 8. PRTY is even. Stop bit is 1. Press set and we'll go back to the home screen. Now we need to get the alarm to turn off. Press the gray loop button until you find AL1 high, AL1H. Use the up arrow to raise this alarm level higher. Make sure that you set this to 515.0. This is the temperature that's going to shut down the oven. Press set. Press set one more time. We're back at that home screen. At this point you should be able to start a cycle. Now you got your solid white light. Our set point is now 32 degrees. We need to bring that up to whatever your curing temperature is. It may be 380, 420, depends on what powder you're using. I'm going to set this box at 385 and press set. You'll notice that this little green light comes on underneath OUT1. This is important. This turns on the relay that activates the burner. On the inside of your control box, you're going to find 2 relays. Those are located here. Those will come on and off with the cycle. One of them is labeled fans and one of them is labeled burner, and that tells you the status of the equipment.